How to create Best Buy account. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Best Buy app on your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app Best Buy and download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of sign in or continue as guest. Click on the option of sign in. Now click on the option of create an account. Now you have to fill this to create your account. Firstly, type in your first name, last name, then type in your email address, generate password for your account, confirm your password. Now type in your phone number. After you provide all the details, check in for the option of face or fingerprint sign-in. Likewise, you can also check in for this option, I would like to connect my account to Google or Apple. Then you can click on create account. Click on continue for all the options. And just like that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your Best Buy account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.